How to fix Mac not accepting correct Apple ID password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open System Settings on your MacBook and further tap on your Apple ID, which is located at the top of your screen. Now, scroll down and tap on the sign out option you see there, and in the pop-up that appears, choose what you want to keep on the Mac like contacts, iCloud Drive, etc., and then confirm the sign out. Once signed out, restart your Mac. And once you have restarted, sign back in using your correct Apple ID and password, as this refreshes iCloud token sync and keychain permissions. If that does not fix your issue, then go ahead and open System Settings again on your Mac and then search for passwords and tap on it. Or if you are on the latest Mac versions, then open Launchpad and then open the Passwords application and enter your Touch ID or passcode to unlock the Passwords account. Now, go ahead and search for your Apple ID and delete any saved Apple ID login items that may be outdated. Next, go ahead and open Keychain Access. You can also tap Command and Spacebar on your keyboard in order to open Spotlight, and you can search for Keychain Access there too. Now, once you have opened Keychain Access, in the search bar, type in Apple ID or iCloud and then go ahead and delete saved entries related to Apple ID. Make sure to delete only outdated and expired ones. Now go ahead and restart your Mac again and try logging in again. This clears corrupted login tokens and forces macOS to re-authenticate securely. And if it is still not working, then you can open your browser and then in the search bar, search for appleid.apple.com and try logging in again. And if that works, the issue is your Mac and not your Apple ID. And if not, then you can reset your Apple ID password there and try again. So, this is how you can fix Mac not accepting correct Apple ID password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.